YouTube is an investment for the future. The videos you make accumulate views over time, over the years, 10 years, 20 years in the future. You can keep getting more views. It's not gonna go away unless you take it down. And if you have monetization on, you can get money slowly, gradually, passive income. It's very nice. Instead of putting money, it's like putting your energy and your effort and time into it. I say it is an investment. It's because it has value. It is worth something, especially in the future. Imagine in 10 years, YouTube still exists, right? And then you get all your videos on there and you have all those videos on record and you have the views accumulated and you have the income accumulated. It's really nice to have this place to store your influence, your effort. It translates into a online presence, a brand name, and some passive income as well. So it's a really nice investment in my opinion. And that's why I really need to work much harder than I am right now, because I'm just very lazily put affiliate link in the upload default and I never bother to manage those links. And right now I think what I need to do is to put the specific links into the description as well as the comment section and pin the message so that people can more conveniently find those affiliate links too. So in this way I can increase my affiliate sales. So today I just did that for most of my most popular videos, gear review, and I was surprised to find out that a lot of popular videos didn't even have affiliate link in them. Like I missed out such a great opportunity for years, 2 or 3 years for some videos. I missed the opportunity to target these 20 and 30,000 views per video. And imagine how much that 20,000 views can translate into affiliate link sale, probably maybe $100 to $200 maybe. So it's not a small thing. It's I mean it's not huge, but it's a pretty cool income if you just bother to put the link in there in the first place. So that's why I fixed that today, and I'm gonna put all the important links, relevant affiliate links in the comment section on my most popular videos, the ones that get most views, and also in the videos that has potential, that is not yet very popular yet, maybe has only a few hundred views, but I'm gonna put a link there because it's like kind of investment. I'm betting on this video to go viral, something like that. So yeah, I need to work hard on my YouTube game. Since it's something that generates income, I think it's only right for me to take it more seriously. And another thing I want to talk about is sell out on YouTube. Like by selling out, I mean catching the trend. Like there are so many camera and lens news every day, and I read them, I hear about them, I watch videos about them, but I rarely make any videos unless it really affects me emotionally. For example, when the A6400 came out, I was pretty upset about the release. I was like, why do they release that? And I made a video complaining about that camera. I thought it was unnecessary release, and I got a lot of hate, but I also got a lot of views. So it works like this. Like if you make a video that is on trend, that is a trending topic, you get a lot of views very quickly within a few days. And those videos, though not popular, they get a lot of downvotes. They get views really quick, like a few thousands easily. So I think that's also another way to improve my YouTube game, like not to brainlessly spamming those videos to just get one click, but also gradually improve my way of explaining myself, to reason and to talk about the gear, talk about the camera without looking like ignorant idiots who doesn't know what he's talking about and can't coherently express idea. So that's what I need to work on. It's not just on YouTube. It's also about speech, about about writing and speech. Maybe I should write a script. That will work much better. I will have more coherent, consistent, and elaborated content. Anyway, try to catch the trend. Try to comment more on the new releases. For example, the Canon R5. And those are very interesting topics that I said on it. I just didn't bother to make a video on it. I don't know. I was lazy. And also I thought every time I made a video of this sort, people just download me because I don't have the expertise nor sample photos or videos, so people just download you. Or maybe just people don't agree with you. I don't know. There are many reasons. Sometimes I'm not the best person to talk about specific gear, or sometimes people just don't agree with your opinion. But it happens, so I shouldn't be discouraged by those downvotes. I should just keep on making those videos, and someday maybe I can find my success. For example, Camera Conspiracy built his whole career on commenting non-existent, imaginary, perfect camera. So I think this is really, it's very doable, but you do have to put a lot of effort and put in a lot of thoughts and be really smart about it. Anyway, that's some random thoughts I have this morning. Okay, very random thoughts on YouTube. First is that YouTube is an investment. It's very valuable for the future. Second is I need to work harder. Third is that I need to catch the trend, and don't be discouraged by the downloads, and try to improve myself, try to improve my ability to convey a message, to express my opinion without coming off like an idiot. Okay, alright, so that's it, and I'll see you next time. And if you want to buy gear, affiliate links in the description. Buy anything on Amazon, I can get a little bit of commission and help support the channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.